Masjid al Qiblatain. Masjid with two qiblas referring to the historical event. The mosque is significant because it is believed to be the location where Prophet Muhammad ﷺ received the divine command to change the direction of prayer Qibla from Baitul Muqqaddas Jerusalem to Masjid al Haram Kaba. Before some time, it's uniquely contained two prayer mihrabs, but due to recently renovation, the old prayer niche facing Jerusalem was removed and the one facing Mecca was left. The Qiblatain Mosque is among the three earliest mosques in Islam, along with Quba Mosque and Masjid al-Nabawi, and it's a must-visit place for every Muslims who visit Madina Munawwarah. The Qiblatain Mosque is located south of the Well of Rumah, about 3.8 km northwest of Prophet's Mosque in Medina.